specific type of dependent clause. What is it?
I said it was an adverb clause.
An adverb clause? All right. What's our clue in number 1, Adriana? That. What's that, Jack?
That is one of our. Oh, it's a relative. Never mind.
All right. And is this an essential or a non-essential relative clause?
I don't really think it's essential.
So machines have replaced human workers. Is that a?
No, it's essential.
Okay. All right. What about number 2, Max? What'd you say that was? Till she improves her work ethic. All right. Until is a clue word. What's that a clue word for? Yeah, and again, this should say adverb up here. So yeah, good job, Mason. What'd you say for number 3?
Independent clause.
Good. And number 4, Adriana.
Phrase.
Nice job. All right, put those off to the side, and